Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to play Steam games offline. So the first thing we have to do is open up Steam. Steam is in my desktop shortcuts, so I'm going to double click on it to open it. So once we're in the Steam app, we will go to Library and we will open a game. So I'm going to choose Airborne for this example. So before launching Airborne, what we need to do is go to the top left corner and click on the Steam icon. When we do this, a list of options will appear. One of the options is the Go Offline option. Click on that. So now we are offline. So when we are offline, many features of the Steam library, such as activity and friends, will be disabled. Additionally, the game we want to play must be available offline. So if it's an online game, this will not work. So after going offline to launch the game, just simply click on play. So the game has been launched in the offline mode, as you can see. So if this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.